As of November 2025, you can easily cancel your Xfinity Internet service, often called Wi-Fi, directly from the Xfinity mobile app. This method is preferred as it's faster than calling customer support. Before you start, ensure your account is in good standing and understand any early termination fees if you're under contract, typically around $10 per month remaining. Make sure you have the latest version of the Xfinity app installed for the smoothest experience. First, open the Xfinity app and log in. Go to the Account section, then select your internet service. Look for Manage Service, or more clearly, End Service, indicated by a red button. Choose your cancellation reason. Review any fees and equipment return instructions. Select your desired end date, ideally at the end of your billing cycle to avoid extra charges. Finally, confirm your cancellation. You'll receive an email and in-app notification summarizing the details. Remember to return your equipment within 30 days to avoid additional fees. If the app glitches, contact Xfinity directly at 1-800-XFINITY.